You may have read a lot of interesting things, but there's probably something else that can surprise you. This video contains some interesting and reliable facts from biology, history, geography, physics, and other sciences that will definitely not leave you indifferent. So, did you know that cashews grow on apples? In this case, the apple is a false fruit, and the nut grows on its top. And what about the fact that mushrooms are closer in genetic similarity to animals than to plants? The common ancestor of mushrooms and mammals existed, later than the common ancestor of mushrooms and plants. Trees actually grow from the air, not the soil. Yes, they get minerals from the soil, but carbon dioxide comes to them from the air. With the help of the sun, it decomposes into oxygen and carbon, which, together with water, make up the tree itself. Lake Superior is the largest and deepest in the Great Lakes system, contains so much water that it could cover both Americas with a layer 30 centimeters deep. There are more stars in the visible universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. There are more than 125 trillion neural connections in the human brain. The same number of stars could fit in 1,500 galaxies, the size of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is the galaxy that includes the solar system. The human body constantly replaces its cells. It is completely renewed every 10 years. Thus, you now have no more in common with yourself only 10 years ago than with any other person, in purely material terms, of course. At the same time, your body contains more bacteria than your own cells, in quantity. But the total mass of bacteria in the human body is only a few kilograms. Dragonfly legs are used for landing, but are not suitable for walking. Male clownfish can change sex if there are no females in their population. But with sharks, it's the other way around. If a female shark cannot find a male for a long time, she can fertilize herself. However, sharks still prefer to use males for this. In this case, greater genetic diversity of the species is ensured, which contributes to its survival.